Oh my god! Oh my god! How to play. Throughout the night, you will get customers. You must figure out whether or not they are doppelgangers. Okay? Doppelganger, doppelganger. Question customers to determine if they are doppelgangers. Banilin! The worst. Locate the gun beneath the counter and shoot. So if doppelganger, pang pang. Oh my god. Hello? Uy, makatakbo ako. Head inside. Okay, so na ako sa 7-Eleven. Out of order. Totoo yan. Mahal ang gasolina. Hello! Welcome to my store. Head the break room. Asang break room? Break room, break room. Kani? Break room? Ay, CRD, sorry. Close. Break room, break room. Today's revenue, $0. Is this the break room? Hello? What the hell is this? Ano to? May web? Ew! What the hell? Ma-stuck ko sa web? Malas. Oh, this is the break room. Read the instructions on the notice board. Asang notice board? Kani? Kani? Employee to do. Use trash bags to throw out the limbs in the storage room. Mop the blood. Restock incomplete shelf boxes. Okay. Map ba ni? Ay, ang kaniyang map. Okay, na ako trash bag. Na ako map. Trash bag. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Map. Wow, I'm so expert. Uy, pera. Okay, token. Restock incomplete shelf with boxes. Okay, pwede ko na ito ibaba. Drop. Must take the trash out in the dumpster. Asang dumpster? Dili, ito sa likod. Wow, ba't makatakot to? Baka may magsilip sa akin dito. Okay, perfect. Go back to shelf na daw. Close ko to, baka may magpasok. Kala ko may pumasok. Kani, dili. So far, dili pa siya horror game. Expert. Woohoo! Oy, shelf stock. Done. Mana. Okay. Read the instructions on the checkout counter. Dili. There is no time limit to customer interrogation. If you spot any inconsistencies, locate the gun underneath the counter and shoot. Exit. Kids. Oh my god! Ay. Taon. Excuse me, sir. Doppelganger ka ba? Clyde, well now, you must be the new night clerk. Welcome to the graveyard shift, my friend. Welcome. Thank you. It's probably a little daunting, huh? No worries. Let me give you a rundown on how it's done. Sir, let me check first if doppelganger ka. Wait. Oh. Wala ko may pumasok lang. Check. Okay. Scan. Okay. Sheriff. Okay, mukha siyang sheriff. Often in uniform. Often wear glasses. Okay, wait. Naka-glasses ka ba, sir? Sir, naka-glasses ka ba? Okay. Perfect tao ka naman. Bag item. Accept transaction. Ay. Okay. Question his occupation. Occupation. Sheriff. My occupation? Sheriff of the best town in the west. Okay, gets. Yun lang pala. Accept transaction. Bye, sir. Thank you for the $12. Ma'am! Excuse me, ma'am. What do you need? Why you a kalbo? Hello, wait lang po. Hey there, long night at the hospital. Nurse ka? Just need to grab a few things and head home. Okay. Wait lang, ma'am. Mag-map sa ako. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh, dyan muna ang map. Wait lang. Occupation, nurse. Nurse ka ba, ma'am? Nurse over at the counter general. It's been a long night. Walang nurse na kalbo. Okay. Nurse daw siya. Okay. Bald. Tama siya. Kalbo siya. Often wears glasses. Yep. Nakagaya siya. Wait a minute. Wala siya glasses suot. Ma'am, wait lang. I-bag ko lang yung gamit niya, ma'am. Boom! Wait! Oh my god! Baka may papasok! Wait! Ang manabidugo! Asan ang trash bag? Trash bag! Ay, wala ko. Wait lang, may ng flashlight. Di ko pa kailangan. Wait lang, sir. Sir. Wait lang po, sir. Wait lang, sir. Baka ikaw next mabalil ko. Wait. Sabog. Wait lang, nagmamadali ka eh. Hey man, just grabbing some stuff real quick. No big deal. Ako po, gagrab pod ko diri oh. Inventory full. Drop the gun. Map. Sir, wait lang, sir. Okay. Busy ako karon. Ako lang isa. Sir, wait lang. Trash bag. Okay. Wait. Sir, ano yun, sir? Ano kailangan niyo, sir? Wait lang. Inspect. Oh. Ano to? Sir? Excuse me, sir. Bakit parang sulat lang to, sir? Expiration date, 1994. Sir, 2026 na tayo ngayon. Wala. Sir, Di ko mascan yung ano niyo, sir, ah. Di ko mascan yung... Wait, drop. Wait lang, dumpster pa di ay. Wait lang, kalma, kalma. Kalma tayo. Wait lang, makatakot dito eh. Wow! Sino ka? Hello? Yep, I'm gonna go back. Wait lang, sir. Huwag ka muna gumala. Buti na lang kahit doppelganger ka. Alam kong doppelganger ka. Wait lang, saan ang trash bag? Map na. Sir, huwag muna kayo pumasok. Grabe man. 2 in a row, doppelganger. Wait, what if tao yun? Wait, drop map. Pati trash bag, trash bag. Trash bag. Okay, pick up. The Rivoli has arrived. Open the loading bay gate. Wait, tapon sa tabasura. Oh my god, naan siya didiri. Oh, sana galihok ni siya. Sir, galihok ka? Hello. Praise the entity. Entity. Oh, Cobra call. Guys, Cobra. Open the gate. Yes. Yes. Open the loading bay area. Yes. Sulod. Pasok. What the hell? Gilabay lang. Hoy, Shopee. Dilian na ang delivery customer service. Close the door. Oh my god. Wait lang. Muna, oy. Ano to? Uy, trap. Ngaman din ako magbutang trap. Wait lang. Sa mani, di gahulat. Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again. Can you come out and help me? Fuck no. No, I'm not gonna go out. No. Bala ka dyan. Wait lang. Ay, hindi. Labas ako pero may kuha ko ba rin? Excuse me, sir. If you're going to do something stupid, yung maglapit. Oh my god. Scammer! Bakit di makabaril? Oh my god. It's gone. Sabi ko na nga ba? What the hell was that? Op, sino yun? Hello? Ma'am. Di nyo ba nakita yung humabol sa akin? Sana yun? Oh my god. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Wait. Hello, ma'am. Wait lang po. Hey there, cutie. No. Ma'am, check ko muna. Okay? Occupation plumber. Oh, plumber ba to? Ma'am. Plumber? Often dirty from work, hair often in a ponytail. Tama ang ponytail. Plumber, wait lang, plumber. Yeah, I've been a flight attendant for 3 years. It's a steady job. Keep me busy. What? Yo! Big man! Wait lang, wala kang nakita. What is this game? Sir, wait lang, sir, ha? Every time mag-ano ako, good evening. Just grabbing a few things before heading back on the road. Wait lang. Sama na ay. Can't wait. Di ka makakulat. Drop map. Trash bag. Walang awa. Ingon, plumber, kabar, dirty daw. Pero naka-flight attendant outfit. Saan yung mga doppelganger? Oy, magkano na lang? Wait lang. Hawakan ko na lang daan to. Ang ano. Inspect. Wait. Check na to. Insurance sale. Often informal wear, tall. Okay, very good. Ano naman siya, formal wear. Wait lang sir, wag mo na pansinin yung baril sa kamay ko. For formal wear, matangkad. Tao ba to siya? So far so good. Okay. Wait lang sir. Bag. Wala na ba? Complete transaction. Yes. Thank you sir. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh. Hello there. Pwede dito ka lang. Protektahan mo ako. Wait lang. Pick up. Baka pwede tayong mag-restock ng shelf. Restock. Oh, water bottle. Oh. Ketchup. Okay, very good. Meron pa dito. Restock. Wait lang, sir. Busy tayo dito. Ketchup. Toyo. Dato puti. Very good. Meron pa ba dito? Wait lang, sir. Baka busy ka sa buhay mo. Meron pa. Saan pa? Shelf. Galing ko talaga mag-stock. Stock boy. Oy, chocomucho. Oh, chocomucho pa. Green version. Yes, sir. Ano pong atin, sir? Make it quick. I've got NET business to deal with. Mamadali. Putang ina mo talaga. Wait lang. Ryan Holt. Occupation. Non-Human Eradication Task Force. Okay? We're the reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet. You should be grateful. Sir, actually, sir, I'm the reason kung bakit. Date of birth, 1986? Wait lang sir, kinakausap lang kita. Sir, looks like tao ka naman. Thank you sa pagbili ng chocomucho. Accept transaction. Your shift is done. Clean up any messes and head to the bus. Wait lang, labay na ako ni. Okay? Gadul ba siya? Sir. Oh my god, tumakbo! What the hell? Cobra. Nice one, Cobra. Pang ano di siya, pang distractor, ano. Ang talino, ang talino. Okay, human ako. I have done cleaning, boss. Get out na ko. Head to the bus. Asa bus? Oh, bus. Baka na lang po magdagan sa ako diri. Excuse me. Head home! Ooh. Let's go. End of night report. Revenue. KKKKK. Human killed. Huh? Umihi lang, nabalil pa. May napatay ako, human. Okay, human. Wait lang, may ang nurse. Tao siya, napatay ko siya. If questioned about her glasses, she says she took them off before coming in. Malay ko ba? Okay, next shift. Next shift. Okay, wow. It's a new night. Check the notice board. Okay. Asa ang notice board? Diri? Notice board. Job's Diner burnt down. Of arson yesterday night. Joe's Diner daw nag-burn down. Okay. Hello, ma'am? Ma'am! Hello, may bangkay pa dito, oh. Ma'am, diyan benta, ma'am. Wait lang po. May bangkay pa dun. Di ko nalinis. Sorry, boss. Hi, sorry if I'm a bit out of it. Been staring at the monitor since before noon. Monitor? Trabaho ka? Okay. Ano yun sa taas mo? Wait lang, maglimpyo sa ta. Kuha ta baril daan. Ma'am, huwag kang gagalaw. Meron pa dito? Okay, meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Hello, ma'am? Anong atin? Wait lang. Scan ID. Okay, alive pa siya. Computer engineer. Okay. That's why I've been staring at the monitor. Monitor computers don't like to cooperate. Okay. Heavy facial acne. Wow, very specific. Well, don't have to point it out. Sorry. Kailangan lang nakalagay kasi dito eh. Shop. Saan eh? Pwede ako mag-order. Okay. Mukha siyang tao. Tao siya. Ano yung order niyo, ma'am? Tissue tsaka botella water. Okay, complete. Okay, very good. Okay, ano pang gawin natin? Mag-restock tayo, Kailangan natin mag-restock. Wait lang. Labay sa tabasura. Wait lang. Dito muna to. Sir, ay ma'am or sino ka man? Wait lang. Mag-restock muna ako kay alam mo na mahirap ta ang buhay. Dito. Wait lang kasi sir. Katanga nakakaintay. Wala na? Okay, full stock. Dito sa ni. Token. Hello sir. What do you want? Evening. Just stopping in. Been a long shift at the shop. Howard Elkins. Occupation, mechanic. Ba't parang galit ka, sir? Sir, nagtatanong lang ako, sir. Okay. Mukha ba siyang mechanic? Jack. Wait lang. Jack? Excuse me, sir. Bakit ang name tag mo, Jack? Name mo, Jack, pero dito, Howard? Howard. Wait, let me check. Damit. Tingnan ko yung damit mo nga. Clothes. What's wrong with the name tag? Yeah, I'm Jack. Pleasure to meet you. Boom! Jack pala, ha? Muntik na kita paalisin, ha? Wait lang, asang map? Asa lang map ako? Map. Wait lang, linisin ko muna to. Barilin mo na. Patay siya. Wait lang, magmapa na ita. Sumali, oy. Madugo na ang laban. Yes! Sumali, oy. Busy ta sa work. Hey, bud. It's the boss. How you doing? Well, I just took a glance at the CCTV footage. Mind telling you with a shitload of rats pouring out to the bathroom? Clear them out. Now get to work. My God, mga daga! Dispose the rats before... Pausan ako dispose. I-grab na ako. Uy, dugay kayong pausan i-grab. Pausan ako i-grab. Ha? Asan ako ibutang? Oh my God, ilabay na ako. Uy, halika. Uy, 17 dapat, tapos 30 seconds lang ako meron. Wait, ang bilis naman nila. Uy, di ko makuha. Uy. Ano, mamamatay ako pag di ko ito kunin? Uy, makuha. Patay. Ang bilis nyo naman. Patay. Nawala na. Hulot na ako time. Sama ni, uy. Sir, wait lang sir. Marami pong daga ngayon. Just grabbing some supplies for my 30th birthday. Big one, you know. Okay, 30th birthday daw. Noted. Wait lang, ma'am. Madaming daga, ma'am. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Scan natin ID mo, ma'am. Cara Hastings. Identical tattoos on both arms. Ma'am, may tattoo ka? 1. Okay, very good. Wait lang, ito ang mga daga, oh. Okay. Wait lang, sabi niyo 30th birthday daw. So, kaya siya pinanak? 1970. 30 birthday, dapat 99. Mali! 30th birthday, hoy. Dapat mag-23 ka pa. Hoy! Anong 30th birthday, ha? Di mo ako mauto, ma'am. Wait lang, labay sa... Nalapo diri ang, ang kagwang, oh. Hoy. Pati barilin ko siya. Wait, naigasod-sulod. Uy! Yo, Joe. Joe? Wait lang, di ba na... Wait lang, Joe, ba ito nakabutang dali, oh? Joe's Diner burnt down. Oh, nasunog daw, Ano, Joe? Nasunog daw. Ano yan? Ba't ka pa dito? Joe! Joe. Wait ka lang. Alam kong doppelganger ka. Kami ako maglinis para isahan na lang. Brandon Keller. I wait table at Joe's Diner. Just clocked out a couple hours ago, probably. Patay ka! Anong clock out? Nasunog gali ang restaurant nyo? Hindi mo ako mauto, boy. Ang galing ko talaga. Wait lang. Mapa. Kumikita na patas. How's that gas station grind treating you? I'm out here making moves while you're still stuck in the rat race. Excuse me? What do you mean? Inasar pa yung trabaho ko. Sorry ha. Mga ilaga! Oh, ba't ako kailan mag-vent? Oh my god, makatago. Sa lawayan imong mga pet. Rick Quatroon. 3,000. Bakit ganyan signature mo, boy? Drop out ka pala ha. Usually buys exactly 2 pack of cookies. Cookies ba to? Ito ba ang cookies? Sir! Ang sabi dito, sir, 2 pack of cookies daw. Switching it up tonight. Gotta keep life interesting. Tao ba siya? Tao ba to? Usually buys 2 packs of cookies daw eh. Pero usually, okay, sabihin pa. Sige, tao ka. Sige, bye! Asan ang map? Ay, wala na eh. Uy! Another kalbo! Uy, ikaw ulit! Jack! Napatay ko yung doppelganger mo, Jack! Binalil ko siya. Hello? Token. Iguin ako, oh. Hi! Sorry, sir. Howard. Ikaw na po. Howard. Sir, I think hindi kasi Howard. Ay! Ba't may aso? Oh, may bantay! Uy! May aso! Tofu! Angas mo ah! Pwede ba yun? Huwag ba yun lang aso, inutusan niya. Oo, inutusan to. Pwede ba mag-doppelganger aso? Paano ko ito kausap? Ba't siya may ID? Service dog daw siya. Paano ko siya makausap? Currently serving Charles Wigglebottom. He is a dog. Yeah, Sir, sino may adik mo? Balding white hair, short, retired. Unable to leave his house. Okay, that's why may ano siya. Kaya pala may service dog siya. Oo, inutusan siya. Tao yan. Inutusan lang siya. Ano ba yan? Ito talaga, oh. Okay, wait lang, boy. Paano mo ito makarga, boy? Oh. Bye! Bye-bye! Okay, very good. Okay. Done na ang trabaho ko for today. Uy, dito siya ulit. Niduol siya! Hoy, pre! Baka may... Run! Cash out na yan. Very good. No humans killed. Let's go! Night 3. It's a new night. Check the notice board. Okay? Notice board. Kung saan na po na akaroon. Along with your current duties, now you also need to help drivers by pumping gas into their cars. Naanay gas, guys! Abri na ang Petron! Uy, fix na guys. Di na out of order. Spotting doppelganger drivers. Ask them how you can help. Use the flashlight to search their car for suspicious items. Hello? Woo! Hello? Wait. Patabalildaan. Hello, boss? Flashlight? Hello? Okay. Midnight news. Okay. Meron siyang newspaper. Open trunk. Ano to? May baril siya. May mga baril siya, guys. Hello? Okay. So, may baril siya, tapos may newspaper siya. Wala naman dito. Okay. Hello, sir. Excuse me. How may I help you? Give me $13 on unleaded daw. And make it snappy, understand? I know damn well you've got a stash of guns somewhere in that store. Yeah, ito. World's gone to shit. Kailangan pala may hawak ako. Uy, gas! Masa di oh? Unlimited wire? Okay, open. Wow! Okay, full. You may leave. Took you long enough. Sorry ha. Hoy, may tao. Ikaw na naman, Jack. Okay. Hoy, yung dalawang Jack pumasok dito. Doppelganger. Akala ko pinapasok yan. Ginaspray lang ang gas. Siya na pod. Howard na pod. Kabar, Jack ang name tag niya. Hoy, ikaw. Clothes. What's wrong with the name tag? Jack? I'm sorry, Jack. Pero kasalanan mo yun. Hello? Ba't ka dito sa loob? Hello? Oh my god. Wait, labay sa ako basura. Wait lang. Oh my god. Nasa siya diri? Okay. Nabaril ko siya. Ano siya dun? Ganyan pala pag binabaril. Nagiging karne. Uy, barilin ko to. May rat. Uy, saan na yun? Talino mo ah. Uy, yun dun oh. Sino nakakabukas ng pintuan? Talino mo ah. Gagi ah. Wait lang, ano yun? Hey man, just picking up something for my sister, Catherine. Okay, what's your name? Tommy. Wait, ba't wala ka damit? Ba't wala ka damit? Hoy, ikaw, saan ka? I know, it's just really hot. Let me grab something for Catherine so I can head home. Ba't wala ka damit? Usama ni, oy, wala ka sa tina. Bawal na yan, illegal na yan, pwede na makulong yan. Okay, tao ni siya. Bye! Uy! Uy! Ba't dalawa kayo? Sino ang doppelganger sa inyo, ha? Baka doppelganger yun, guys. Baka doppelganger yun. Hello, sir? Gotta be careful, man. They're everywhere. Ever feel like someone's watching you? Ikaw na po, Tommy. Tommy. Guys, wala ko alaman if totoo siya. I don't do shirts, man. They got tracking fibers in them. Hala, what if tao to? What if tao yung isa? Or eto doppelganger? Yes! Yes! Okay, sorry, Tommy. Wait na ay magpagas. Sir, ano atin? Ew! Ba't yung kotse mo may meat? What fucked up? Uy! Kalbo! Ginagawa mo't ka nagmumunwalk? Uy! Dancer to ah! Angas ka! Angas to siya oh! Tira mo! Angas ka! Uy! Buenas noches! Michael Jackson yarn. Buenas noches, amigo! Don't mind me, this feet won't stop moving, baby. Oh, I like you, I like you, I like you. Wait lang, huwag mo napansinin yung mga kalat sa paligid. Okay, wait lang. Ang angas naman ng signature mo, mukha mo. Retired construction worker. Very short. Short siya. Wait lang, may reviews tayo. Decor, tapos bloodstain. Maglinis pa tayo, sorry. Sorry. Wait lang, ito lang bilhin mo, boy. Bye! Ayun, si sheriff. Wait lang, maglimpyo tayo dapat hala. Wait lang, sir, ha? Sir, wait lang. Asang map? Okay. Very good. Yes. Restock po dito, chef. Dagan kulang. Yes, sir. Clyde Dawson. Okay, Clyde. Sheriff, open in uniform. Wears glasses. Okay, naka-glasses siya. Okay. Tao ka. Hey, who are you? Back away. Clyde? Excuse me, what? Tao yan. Where is your gasoline? Dito, sir, oh. Lo, Clyde! What did you do to Clyde? Ano ginawa mo kay Clyde? Si Sheriff. Oh, yung Sheriff namin. You let one doppelganger complete its extraction earlier. They have alerted the entities. They will arrive in 60 seconds. Wait lang. Wait. 30 seconds? 30 seconds? Are you sure? Ay, wala ako board. Hala, wait lang. Kulang ako board. Hala. Wait lang, ang entrance si board na ako. Wait, ala, di ko makasunod. Ba't din ang binarricade ko? Oh my god. May employee ako dun. May mic volume, guys. Di ako pwede magsigaw. What the hell? Oh my god. Sana siya? Oh my god, sino yung bakit niya inatake? Why did he kill me? Oh my god, may mic volume. Why? Oh my god, cosplay lang na. Restock. Oh, ready ko na to down dito. Dito na lang oh. Ay nako. Hirap naman eh. Wait lang, mag-restock tayo. Mag-restock tayo. Next, dito. Okay. Strawberry bar. Chocomucho. May kotse na dadating. Wala na. Okay. Wait. Dito. Ba't di mo makalagay trap? Dito na lang, oh. Ba't di mo nakalagay trap? Maya pa siguro maglagay trap. Oh, hello, my good sir. Hello. Flashlight. Uy, lain kotse natin ngayon, ah. Hello. What's your name? How may I help you? Hello, sir. Hello? Dito? Wala. Dito. Hello. Ew, junk food. Dog bed. Oh, may dog siya, tapos ma-junk food yung bahay. Kotse niya. Okay. How may I help you? Can I get $8 on unleaded, please? $8 daw. Okay. Stand further back. Naman. Gawas-awas. Ay, nako. Oh. Asam. Pwede tayo mag-check. Hala. Mag-check na dapat. Wait. 294Y. Ga-check the diri. Oh, di ko makita. 294Y. Expiry, 1994. Red sedan. Okay, red. Extremely rusty and dirty. Exterior, okay. Update sa update week. Okay. Okay, tama na. Rusty, red daw. Okay, you may go now, sir. Bye. Okay, first customer of the day. Talia. Suko siya. Woo! The hell? Bye. Close ko na to. Token. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Why are you angry? Wait lang. Just grabbing some supplies from my 30th birthday. Big one, you know. 30th birthday ko, no. 3.7 reviews. Increase. Decoration daw. Paano tayo mag-decoration? Planks. Pwede pong mag-order planks. Explosive. Backpack. Una ko backpack para makaano ko. $149. How am I going to afford that? Poster na lang para decoration. Boombox. Decoration. Okay, pati products. Okay, wala ata stock. Wait lang, ma'am. Si Cara Hastings. Cara, wait lang, Cara. 1970. 30th birthday ko no, ha? Wait, linis. Okay, to reviews. At 5 stars ta, 5 stars, 7-Eleven. Wala na ba? Wala na. Ano na po siya diri, guys? Hello? Nakaharang ka kasi. Uy. Uy, paldo. Hey man, just picking up something for my sister. Sige, doppelganger ni ganina, di ba? Doppelganger ni siya ganina, di ba? Sir, my sister ka ba talaga? Wait, ID mo. Asan ID mo? Tommy Delgado. Thank you, Shopee. Ang bilis ng delivery nila. Same day, same hour. Dito. Saba kayo siya. Wait lang. Sa malayo natin ilagay. Dito. Hey, may music na tayo. Woohoo! Let's go! Wait. Product. Mag-restock ita. Saba ang music. I don't like it. Saba. Okay, wait. Restock ta. Chocomucho. Sir, wait ka lang, sir. Alam kong kailan ka pa nag-aantay. Yung poster pala. Decoration yan eh. Dito yun ilagay, Wow, enter text. Yes, guys! Like, follow, and share. Hello? Yes! Double ganger siya! Woo! Tamang hinala. Dito na naman yung worker ko. Uy, barilin ko to siya. Ay, hindi, wag. Okay, map. Wait lang, sir. Map tayo kay cleaners ako ngayon. Sir, ano yung atin, sir? Check. Ba't wala ka damit, sir? I don't do shirts, man. They got tracking fibers in them. Sure. Okay. Bye. Unay kotse. Welcome to 7-Eleven gas station. Hello? Yes, sir. Ay, ma'am. Ano atin, ma'am? How may I help you? Let me get $10 unleaded. Okay, wait lang, ma'am. Check ko muna nyo, license plate nyo, ay kotse nyo. Lalaman. Dito. May ganun? Ma'am, ba't wala kang engine? Wait lang, naka-pedal yan. Wow! Pero ba't wala kang engine, ma'am? I misplaced this car's engine. I'm off to pick up a new one tomorrow morning. Ma'am, that's not possible. Nawala ang kotse. Yay! Work complete. Hello? Ba't walang customer? Uy, andun si Michael Jackson na naman. Di ko siya napansin. Wait lang, Michael J ha. Toyo. Buenas noches, amigo. Follow and share. Pangit na ng signature mo at muka. Wait lang. Mali ba sa kanya? So, 60 years old na siya. Mukha naman siyang 60 years old. And retired na siya. Wait lang. Feel ko tao siya. Thank you, man. Sir! Datay natin. Okay. Ay, doppelganger nga siya! Anong suspicious sa kanya? Tingnan natin mamaya. Wait, let me clean, anay. Follow and share. Hoy, ikaw. Wow. Ka naman. Ay, okay ka. Tao ka eh. Nakita ko na kanina. Exit. Sheriff, uniform, 1939. Very good. At tulungan na kita, sir. Wait lang. Mukhang okay ka naman. Glasses. Sheriff. Bye, sir. Bye. Mamatay na naman siya. Hey, who are you? Wait, paano siya nakapasok? Bakit siya namatay? Talia. You have provoked them. Dapat hindi na ako i-provoke? Trap. Oh my god. Wait. Close. Board. Lagay trap and board. Dito. Ano yun? Oh my god. Wait, board. Dito din pala, Boarding up si board. Sige. Baita cobra. Cobra tapat para pang distract pala. Dito pala i-board ko din to. Okay. Very good. my God! Nandiyan siya! Oh my God! Come here, come here, come here, come here. Saan na siya? Natrap siya. Natrap siya. Oh, success! Oh my God. Di ka ako makasalita. Hindi ko nga chats niyo, hindi ko mabasa. May jumpscare na side ng screen. Josh, tago-taguan pala to. Ay, naku, gabi. Ay, naku, ang hirap dun. Okay, lagay tayo daan mga board. May board dito, meron na board dito, meron na... Ay, naku, what the hell was that? Dito na yan. Your shift is done. Clean up. Wait lang, lindis na tayo. Agay, ako na-trap sarili ko. Bobo talaga. Ay, naku. Ito na yan. Okay, dyan mo na yan. Asan ang map ko? Limpyo ta. That i-trap da siya. Pag na-trap siya, mahawa na siya. Ato ba? Grabe. Okay. Limpyo. Pwede pa. Okay, basura. Basura. Okay, wala na ba? Let's go out. Let's go to the bus. Tapos ko na to. Yes, success! Sino yung doppelganger sa kanila? Human killed? May napatay ako human. Driver, human, yes. Huh? Human si Michael J? Human, sorry Michael J. Sorry. Gusto mo lang sumayaw? Finish demo. Tapos ang game. Good, that's good. I like that game.